What's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel where we don't just train hard, we train smart. I'm your certified trainer and your science-based workout buddy. Today, we're breaking down the top beginner mistakes that kill your progress, and how to fix them. Whether you're new or stuck in a plateau, this is your wake-up call. We'll cover the 5 biggest pitfalls and give you science-backed, actionable solutions. Grab your water, take notes, and let's build a foundation that lasts. Mistake number 1: going too heavy too fast. Loading up the bar before your body's ready doesn't build strength, it builds risk. Studies show beginners who overload early are much more likely to get injured, especially in the shoulders, back, and knees. Here's what to do. Start with a weight you can lift for 12 to 15 reps with perfect form. Your stabilizer muscles, the body's shock absorbers, need time to adapt. Training lighter strengthens these muscles, protecting your joints and prepping you for heavier lifts later. Think of your body like a high-performance car. You don't redline a new engine. If you jump to heavy weights, your big muscles might handle it, but your stabilizers can't. That's how injuries happen. Build your foundation first. Focus on form and control, not ego. For your first 4 to 6 weeks, stick to 12 to 15 reps with a weight you can control. If your form breaks down, the weight is too heavy, drop it. This isn't weakness, it's smart training. The gym is a marathon, not a sprint. The weights will always be there. Make sure your body is ready when you get there. Start light, build your base, and you'll outlast those who rush and get sidelined. Remember, true strength is built from the inside out. Invest in injury prevention now, and you'll be training hard and pain-free for years. Don't let impatience sabotage your progress. Respect the process, and you'll see real lasting gains. The shortcut is actually the long way around. Play the long game, build your foundation, and the heavy lifts will come. Don't let your ego write checks your body can't cash. Start smart, finish strong. If your form is trash, your results will be too. Chasing weight and ignoring technique is a classic beginner mistake. Bad form doesn't just risk injury, it means the target muscles aren't even doing the work. Solution: master body weight movements first, then add resistance. Film yourself or get feedback from someone experienced. Good form means efficiency and effectiveness. Every exercise targets specific muscles through a specific motion. Swinging weights or cheating reps shifts tension away from the muscle you want to train. The muscle only knows tension, not the number on the bar. Maximize tension with perfect form, not heavy weights. Poor form leaks tension and invites injury. Before you load a barbell, can you do the movement perfectly with just your body weight? The bar won't fix your form, it will amplify your flaws. Use tools like box squats or a dowel for deadlifts to master the pattern. Film your sets, compare to expert videos, and make corrections. Don't be afraid to ask for help. Most experienced lifters respect those who want to learn. Even a single session with a coach can fix issues you didn't know you had. For technical lifts like deadlifts, practice the hip hinge with a dowel before touching a barbell. Master the pattern, then add load. Watch reputable tutorials, read, and absorb knowledge. Treat your first months like you're a student. Focus on learning, not performing. Light weights, perfect reps, and feeling the muscle work are your priorities. 10 perfect reps beat 5 sloppy heavy ones every time. Your progress will be faster, and you'll avoid setbacks. Form isn't just part of the exercise, it is the exercise. Build technical skill now, and it'll pay off for your entire lifting career. Don't rush this step. Quality reps build quality results. Let's talk ego lifting, caring more about how much you lift than how well you lift. Trying to impress others or compete leads to bad form and big risks. Research shows optimal muscle growth happens with good form at 65 to 85% of your max, not maxing out with sloppy reps. Ego lifting is a trap. You sacrifice technique, risk injury, and stall your progress. Nobody who knows what they're doing is impressed by half reps or dangerous lifts. The real respect goes to those who move moderate weight with perfect form. Muscle growth is about mechanical tension, not just moving heavy weight. Shortening your range of motion or skipping the slow, controlled lowering phase means you're missing out on gains. The best lifters focus on mastery, not just numbers. Your self-worth isn't tied to the weight you lift. Track your progress, not just weight, but form and control. Make heavy weight feel light through skill, not ego. Leave your ego at the door and train for yourself, not for show. The iron is a tool for building your body, not your pride. Consistency and smart training beat ego every time. Don't let pride push you into injury or burnout. Focus on perfect execution, and the heavy weights will come naturally. The most impressive lifters are the ones still training strong decades later. Train for longevity, not just for today. Be the person who's still making progress years from now. Mastery beats bravado every time. Don't let ego kill your gains. Train smart, and the results will follow. How much weight should you start with? Simple. Pick a weight you can lift for 12 to 15 reps with clean form. The last 2 reps should be tough, but your form should never break. Start light, get it right, then go heavier. Begin with an empty barbell or light dumbbells to learn the movement. Do a set of 10 to 12 reps. If it's easy and your form is perfect, add a little weight. Make small incremental jumps. Don't rush. Find the weight where reps 13 and 15 are challenging but clean. That's your starting point. Write it down, track your progress. Use the rate of perceived exertion, RPE, scale aim for an RPE of 7 to 8, where you could do 2 to 3 more reps if you had to. Some days you'll feel stronger, some days not. Adjust the weight to stay in that RPE zone. Always stop at technical failure, not absolute failure. This approach keeps you safe and ensures steady progress. Don't be afraid to ask for help or feedback. Most lifters are happy to support beginners. Even one session with a trainer can set you up for success and prevent months of mistakes. The weight you start with doesn't define you. Everyone starts somewhere. There's no shame in starting with the empty bar. Focus on perfecting the movement, then gradually increase the load. Progressive overload, adding weight, reps, or better form over time, is the key to long-term gains. Take your time, be methodical, and listen to your body. Your journey is just beginning. Lay a perfect foundation now, and you'll build strength for life. Don't rush the process. Every strong lifter started at the beginning. Start smart, and you'll go far. That's how you build real, lasting strength. The most important lesson: don't chase quick results. Fitness is a long game, progress isn't linear, and you can't force it. Consistency beats intensity every time. Studies show training 3 to 4 times a week, consistently, leads to better, safer gains than going all out for 2 weeks and burning out. Stop comparing yourself to influencers or bodybuilder. Focus on your journey. Stick to your plan, track your progress, eat to support your goals, and stay patient. Quick fixes and extreme routines lead to burnout and quitting. Build habits you can sustain for years, not just weeks. Schedule your workouts like appointments, protect that time. An okay workout you do is better than the perfect one you skip. Automate the habit so you don't rely on motivation alone. Social media is a highlight reel. Don't compare your day 1 to someone else's year 10. Your only competition is who you were last week. Celebrate small wins, an extra rep, better form, a little more weight. These add up to big changes over time. Patience is your superpower. Progress will have ups and downs, plateaus are normal. Stay consistent through the slow periods. Breakthroughs come to those who don't quit. As a beginner, focus on building the habit of showing up. 3 to 4 workouts a week, perfect form, enough food and sleep, that's the formula. The fundamentals may seem boring, but they produce extraordinary results. Don't sacrifice long-term progress for short-term satisfaction. Embrace the journey and the discipline it builds. If you master consistency, you've already won most of the battle. Results are inevitable if you keep showing up. Train smart, stay patient, and be consistent. That's how you win in fitness and in life. The journey is yours. Own it. Here's your cheat sheet. Start light to build stabilizers. Master form before adding weight. Ditch ego lifting. Ask for help. Stay consistent. If this helped, hit like, comment your biggest beginner mistake, and subscribe for more science-based fitness content. Don't forget to hit the bell so you never miss a video. A full beginners series is coming. From building your first program to nutrition and more. We're building a smart, supportive community here. Every expert was once a beginner. The difference is they learned and kept showing up. You now have the roadmap to skip years of frustration. Let's get stronger together. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, drop a comment below with the biggest mistake you made when starting out, and subscribe for weekly science-based fitness content that actually works. Don't forget to hit that bell so you don't miss the next video. I've got a full beginners series coming your way. Until next time, train smart, live strong, and stay humble. Peace.